Alright, so I was heading home on California 17 North. You can see in the video, the top is the front view, right below is the rear view, and then on the left, bottom left is the left view, and the bottom right is the right view. But anyways, as you can see, I had to move over to the left one lane because the right was an exit. And then the car to my left, they were kind of slowing down. I just kept going constant speed. But then I guess they suddenly decide to move over into the lane I'm in. I don't know if I was in their blind spot or what at the time, but you'll see that as I pass, they'll end up in my blind spot of the, not my blind spot, but the camera's blind spot. And then once you see them appear in the left camera, you'll see they're already like halfway into my lane almost. I had to move into the shoulder, which was pretty dangerous because there was a truck right there as well. And yeah, luckily no accident happened. And here it is again. But yeah, so you guys want to be careful. I don't know, I don't think they checked at all to see if there was a car. But yeah, you'll see it again. Again, I had to move over to the left, and then the car was just continuing at the same speed. They were slowing down. Ended up right next to me and decided to merge over into the lane as they were right next to me. Pretty crazy. Be careful driving out there, guys. You never know. Always make sure to keep an eye. That's why I don't like driving next to other cars. If there's a car like following the same speed next to me, I always speed up or slow down depending on if there's cars in front or not that are in the way. But yeah, luckily I noticed they were going into my lane and I floored it to get out of there. Moved over to the right, and we were safe. All right, see you guys later. Bye.